And look, it's our pub of the week, all the way from Colvin in Leicestershire. It's the Victoria. Welcome. Fantastic. So, you're the governor, John, there. What's your unique beer selling point? What's special about the Vic?
We're a biker's pub.
A biker's pub?
Biker's
Ooh, how about that?
A rock pub.
Are these all the regulars?
Yeah,
the boys and girls in the bikers pub?
Staff and stuff,
Fantastic. The biker pub. John, is that your idea that it would be a biker pub?
yeah.
It's a canny idea, isn't it? Because you get more bikes in the car park. I like that. But, because they're all on a bike, they can't drink. You haven't thought it through. No, seriously, John, do you have a bike yourself?
I've got one, yeah.
What's up?
750 Honda.
750 under. Not interested. See, I've customised my own bike, actually.
Yeah.
Yeah, what I did, basically, is I added on a couple extra wheels. Right? Windscreen with wipers. Wheel arrangement instead of the handlebars. Boot for the luggage. It's a car, right? And I get someone else to drive it so I can get pissed. It's a